In today's digital age, the concept of making money online has evolved, and many are seeking the laziest ways to generate income without extensive effort. So, what exactly qualifies as a lazy money-making method? Primarily, it involves minimal effort and no upfront investment, allowing individuals to earn money while focusing on other pursuits. This approach is particularly appealing for those who want to supplement their income without committing significant time or resources. One of the key aspects of this strategy is the importance of creating passive income streams. These are sources of income that continue to generate revenue over time, often requiring little to no ongoing work once established. By setting up these streams, you can enjoy financial benefits for years to come, freeing you from the traditional grind of a 9-to-5 job. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to achieve this lazy income strategy. You'll learn practical methods that can be easily implemented, ensuring that you can start earning money with minimal hassle. Whether you're looking to pay off debts, save for a vacation, or simply enjoy a more relaxed lifestyle, this approach can help you reach your financial goals while allowing you to maintain your freedom and flexibility. When identifying the laziest way to make money online, several essential criteria must be considered to ensure a truly effortless approach. First and foremost, it's crucial to avoid methods that require being on camera or creating products. Many people find these tasks daunting and time-consuming, so seeking alternatives that allow you to remain behind the scenes is vital. Additionally, low upfront costs are a significant factor. The ideal lazy money-making method should not demand substantial financial investment. Instead, it should focus on strategies that can generate income over the long term without draining your resources. This leads us to the concept of half-life in terms of work done versus income generated. Essentially, this concept refers to the duration of time that your initial effort continues to yield returns. A successful lazy income stream should have a long half-life, meaning that the work you put in initially should continue to pay off for an extended period. This allows you to reap the benefits of your efforts without the need for constant input. By focusing on these criteria, avoiding on-camera appearances, minimizing upfront costs, and maximizing the half-life of your work, you can effectively identify the laziest and most efficient ways to make money online, paving the way for a more relaxed financial future. While there are numerous opportunities to make money online, many common jobs do not meet the criteria for being considered lazy methods. For instance, online surveys, transcription work, and content creation are popular options that often require ongoing effort and commitment. Online surveys may seem appealing at first, but they typically offer minimal compensation for the time invested, making them less than ideal for those seeking a truly lazy income stream. Similarly, transcription jobs demand consistent attention and accuracy, which can become tedious and time-consuming. Content creation, while potentially lucrative, often requires significant effort in terms of planning, producing, and promoting material, making it far from a passive income source. These jobs are not considered lazy methods for making money because they necessitate continuous work and engagement, which contradicts the essence of a lazy approach. Instead of focusing on these labor-intensive roles, it's essential to embrace the idea that smart work is preferable to hard work. By seeking out opportunities that allow for passive income generation, you can achieve financial success without the burden of constant effort. The goal is to find methods that leverage your initial work for long-term gains, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your efforts without the ongoing grind associated with traditional online jobs. One of the best lazy ways to make money online is by partnering with high-payout products and leveraging traffic sources effectively. This method revolves around affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. By selecting high-payout products, you maximize your earnings potential without the need to create or manage your own inventory. The key to success in this approach lies in driving traffic to your affiliate links, which can be achieved through various channels such as social media, blogs, or email marketing. Once you set up these traffic sources, they can continue to generate leads and sales with minimal ongoing effort, leading to a steady stream of passive income. This means that after your initial work of establishing the partnerships and traffic channels, you can enjoy the financial rewards without the constant grind of traditional jobs. It's an appealing way to earn money while maintaining your freedom and flexibility. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of earning money with minimal effort, stay tuned. In the upcoming sections, we will provide a detailed explanation of the entire process, including tips on selecting the right products, effective traffic strategies, and how to optimize your earnings for long-term success. To successfully identify your interests and assess market feasibility, start by creating a comprehensive list of at least 20 personal interests or hobbies. This exercise will help you pinpoint what you are passionate about, whether it's cooking, fitness, travel, or technology. Once you have your list, the next step is to compare it with profitable niches in the market. Research trending topics, popular products, and services that align with your interests. This comparison will reveal potential opportunities where your passions intersect with market demand. Finding this overlap is crucial because it allows you to engage in work that you genuinely enjoy while also tapping into a viable income stream. When you pursue a niche that excites you, it becomes easier to create content, promote products, or engage with your audience authentically. Additionally, working within a field you are passionate about can lead to greater motivation and long-term success. As you analyze your interests alongside market trends, look for areas where there is a strong demand but limited competition. This can provide a unique advantage, allowing you to carve out your niche. By aligning your personal interests with market feasibility, you set the stage for a fulfilling and profitable online venture. So take the time to reflect on your passions and explore how they can translate into a successful income-generating opportunity. To find and partner with high-payout products, one of the best strategies is to utilize affiliate marketing platforms like Digistore24 and ClickBank. These platforms offer a wide range of products across various niches, making it easier for you to find items that align with your interests. When selecting products, it's essential to choose those with a minimum price point, as higher-priced items typically yield better commissions. This means that even a small percentage of a high-ticket sale can result in significant earnings, maximizing your income potential. Once you've identified products that pique your interest, the next step is to sign up for an account on these platforms. The registration process is straightforward. Simply provide your basic information and agree to the terms and conditions. After your account is set up, you can browse the marketplace for products that fit your criteria. When you find a product you want to promote, click on it to access its details. Here, you will see an option to obtain your unique affiliate link. This link is crucial, as it tracks any sales generated through your referrals. Copy this link and use it in your marketing efforts, whether on social media, blogs, or email campaigns. By following these steps, you can effectively partner with high-payout products and start your journey toward generating passive income through affiliate marketing. Creating content to promote your chosen products is a vital step in your affiliate marketing journey. To begin, start by researching popular videos in your niche. Platforms like YouTube are excellent resources for discovering trending topics and content styles that resonate with your target audience. Take note of the themes, presentation styles, and engagement levels of these videos to gather inspiration for your own content ideas. Once you have a solid understanding of what works in your niche, it's time to craft your unique scripts. While it's beneficial to base your content on popular ideas, ensure that you maintain originality by adding your personal touch or perspective. This not only helps you stand out but also builds trust with your audience, as they appreciate authentic content. For the actual video creation process, consider using tools like Google Slides for creating visually appealing presentations and OBS, Open Broadcaster software, for recording your videos. Google Slides allows you to design engaging slides that can complement your narration, while OBS provides a user-friendly interface for capturing your screen or webcam, enabling you to produce high-quality videos. By following these steps, researching popular content, writing unique scripts, and utilizing effective tools, you can create compelling videos that effectively promote your affiliate products, driving traffic and increasing your chances of earning commissions. Uploading and optimizing your videos on YouTube is crucial for maximizing visibility and driving traffic to your affiliate links. To start, once you've created your video, log into your YouTube account and click on the Upload button. As you upload, make sure to include your affiliate links in the video description. This is where viewers can easily access the products you're promoting. Be sure to provide a brief explanation of the products and encourage viewers to check them out, enhancing the likelihood of conversions. Video optimization plays a significant role in ensuring your content reaches a wider audience. Start by crafting a compelling title that includes relevant keywords related to your niche. This helps your video appear in search results. Additionally, write a detailed description that summarizes the video content and incorporates keywords naturally. Don't forget to add tags that reflect the main topics of your video, as these can further improve discoverability. Consistency is key when it comes to building a passive income stream on YouTube. Aim to upload videos regularly, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Over time, this consistent effort can lead to increased subscribers and views, ultimately enhancing your chances of generating income through your affiliate links. By following these steps, you can effectively upload and optimize your videos for success on YouTube. Understanding the potential earnings from affiliate marketing through consistent video uploads can be quite motivating. When you regularly produce and share content, you create opportunities for significant monthly income. For instance, let's say you upload 2 videos per week, totaling about 8 videos a month. If each video garners an average of 1,000 views, that's 8,000 views monthly. Now, consider the conversion rate. If just 2% of those viewers click on your affiliate links and make a purchase, that translates to 160 conversions. If you're promoting a product that offers a commission of $50 per sale, your earnings from those conversions would amount to $8,000 for the month. This example illustrates how consistent effort can lead to substantial financial rewards. Moreover, as your channel grows and you gain more subscribers, your views are likely to increase, further amplifying your earning potential. With time, you may find that your videos continue to generate views and income long after they are uploaded, thanks to the evergreen nature of quality content. This method not only provides immediate financial benefits but can also lead to long-term financial stability. By investing time and effort into creating valuable content, you set the stage for ongoing passive income, making affiliate marketing a viable and rewarding strategy for your financial future. To enhance your income potential through affiliate marketing, consider incorporating the concept of recurring revenue by promoting monthly subscription products. These products, such as software services, online courses, or membership sites, provide ongoing commissions each month as long as the customer remains subscribed. This can create a steady stream of income that compounds over time, significantly boosting your overall earnings. Additionally, utilizing software tools for video creation can save you valuable time and streamline your production process. Tools like Canva for graphics, Adobe Premiere Pro for editing, and TubeBuddy for optimizing your YouTube channel can enhance the quality of your content while reducing the time spent on each video. By investing in these tools, you can focus more on content creation and less on the technical aspects, allowing for more frequent uploads. As your channel grows, it's also wise to consider delegating tasks to further enhance your productivity. Hiring freelancers for video editing, graphic design, or social media management can free up your time, enabling you to concentrate on strategy and content development. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork offer a range of professionals who can assist you. By implementing these strategies, promoting subscription products, using efficient software tools, and delegating tasks, you can significantly enhance your income potential and build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. In this video, we explored the importance of finding a lazy method for making money online, emphasizing that it's essential to seek opportunities that require minimal effort while still generating income. We discussed how partnering with high-payout products through affiliate marketing can be an effective strategy, allowing you to earn commissions without the need to create your own products or be on camera. By leveraging platforms like Digistore24 and ClickBank, you can identify lucrative products that align with your interests. We also highlighted the significance of creating engaging content to promote these products, encouraging you to research popular videos in your niche and to develop unique scripts. Additionally, we covered the process of uploading and optimizing your videos on YouTube, stressing the importance of including affiliate links in your descriptions and maintaining consistency in your uploads. Ultimately, the potential for passive income through smart work and consistency was a key takeaway. By regularly producing quality content and exploring recurring revenue opportunities, you can build a sustainable income stream over time. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and exploring related content that can further guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the combination of strategic planning and consistent effort can lead to long-term success in your online money-making endeavors.